In this video, we will learn how to restore all scratch black and white photo in Photoshop. As you can see, this is an old and scratched photo. Let's restore it. First, click on the image from the menu bar. Go to Adjustment. Click on Desaturate. Then click on the filter from the menu bar. Click on Neural Filter. Click on Photo Restoration. Encourage scratch reduction 30. Wait a few minutes here. Now see all the scratches have been removed. Then click on Colorize. Click the OK button. So you can see there are still some scratches. Let's remove them. Go to the toolbar. Click on the Remove tool. Then brush over the scratch. The scratches will be removed. Remove all the remaining scratches like this way. Now remove the red background under the hair. To do this, go to the toolbar. Click on the eyedropper tool. Select the background color. Click on the brush tool. Decrease opacity 40%. Remove the red part. Go to the background layer. Click on the lock icon to unlock this layer. Click the right button on the layer. Click on the duplicate layer. Click on Layers from the menu bar. Go to Layer Style. Click on the Gradient Overlay. Go to Blending Mode. Click on the Overlay. Then click on the Gradient drop-down box. Go to the Purple folder. Select any gradient color here. Click on Reverse. Click on the OK button. Go to the Layer panel. Hold down the Alt key from the keyboard and click on the Layer Mask icon. Go to the toolbar. Keep the background layer white and keep the foreground layer black. Click on the brush tool. Increase opacity 100. Now brush the part that you want to color. Thanks for watching the video.